Oh, it is raining. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. And in this video, fresh off of the delivery truck, the part that we've been waiting for the whole STI build project, it finally came after about, 10 weeks of waiting. But this is the part that I've been waiting for, the missing piece, this whole build project. I'm excited to get this unboxed. I'm gonna unbox this live on camera for you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what this is going to be. Hold up one second, let me put this box down. It is getting really heavy. Let me put this up here for now. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, time to get to the unboxing. So just a quick story on this part that we got right here. I've been waiting about 10, almost 11 weeks to get to my front door. Now, funny story is this is not the part that I want. I know, first world problems, right? I was trying to get the company to change my order or upgrade my order to something bigger and better, hopefully to make more power, but unfortunately, they just couldn't do it. The whole pandemic thing really put a kink in our situation right here. But this is something that we're gonna be able to upgrade probably later on, but it is what it is, and I didn't want to wait an extra 16 weeks for something bigger than this or an upgrade from this part right here. Without further ado, let's unbox the first layer of this order. And I know you're gonna say, whoop-de-doo, right? You should have got something bigger. Bader's probably gonna laugh at me for this. Probably, I know he even says that I should get something bigger.
That's what she said.
But like I said, it is what it is, And if you order this part from this company, expect some long wait times. I mean, they even say it on their website. Okay, you guys are seeing this the same time I am. Oh my God, this thing is heavy. What the hell? How the hell did it? Or is this? Oh God. I don't want to drop it. No cuts. What the hell? Okay. There's that. We got another bag right here. We'll do that later. Oh, shit. Okay, so here we are. Here it is. The turbocharger for the whole STI build. Can you guys see that? Okay, so let me take this out of the styrofoam thingamabobber. I want to put it in the same way because we have to get this installed, and we're not going to be able to do that today, obviously. I don't know exactly when we're going to be able to get to this, and it's stuck. Finally. Whew, check this out. Yes, so what we have right here is the FP Green. Let me set this down because this thing is freaking heavy. Okay, took that out of the box. We got some oil right here. No real need to take this out of the bag right now. It's gonna be a few weeks until I'm gonna be able to install this at the minimum. But just to give you guys a heads up, this is the FP Green, and I did opt to get the housing coated and ported. So I think that was a reason for it to take so dang long. So I ordered this about 10 weeks ago. Yes, 10, I think maybe 11 weeks ago. So after I ordered this, I'm gonna give you guys a quick story, a backlog on why I went with this turbo. So after I ordered this turbo, okay, I think it was about 4 weeks after that, I went and ordered a built block, and I said, hey, you know what? This turbo is not gonna be big enough for that block, right? And also I was planning on building the heads too and get cams. So I realized, holy crap, this is a small turbo for what I'm going with. So I tried upgrading to the FP Black or even the FP Zero, which can make 700 wheel horsepower in a stock location setup, which I think is pretty cool. So with that said, they replied back to me they weren't able to upgrade my order. They were having tooling issues at the manufacturing plant. It was gonna take another 8 weeks or so at the minimum. So that was kind of a bummer. I really wanted the FP Black or the FP Zero. That's kind of the reason why I didn't say nothing about which turbo I was going with, because I was trying to upgrade from this one. Hang on one second. So with that said, at the time of filming this video, the heads are now at the machine shop getting ported. We're gonna get the cams put on there, and that's gonna get put onto the new motor.
And we are actually gonna use these cylinder heads for JR at mywrxchannel because he's making the trip all the way from Seattle area, and I'd like to have all the stuff to put his car together in a weekend versus pulling his car apart and then having him leave it here and figure out a way to get back and so forth. So,
and once everything is done, I'm gonna head over to Bader's house and get the project started finally, because I just can't wait. I have events already scheduled. I'm trying to get everything done and tuned before those events happen, but so excited. Finally, the turbo's here. We are planning on upgrading this later on down the line. Yes, I know, such a small turbo. I wanted something bigger.
That's what she said.
Yes, that is true. Also, I had a deal on an AMS intake manifold, but apparently that deal fell through, which kind of sucks. So I was looking forward to the AMS intake manifold, but it is what it is, right? That's just the way life is. You can't get everything you want. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. Short video for you guys today. I know you guys like longer videos. You guys always ask for it. But I got so much stuff I got to do right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.